To understand fundamental operations in depth, let us solve these given questions on board. The first one says 1 3 by 4 plus 5 by 16 minus 5 by 8, where this is our mixed fraction. We will convert them into improper fraction, that is 7 by 4 plus 5 by 16 minus 5 by 8, right? As I have told you before also, before operating anything on rational numbers, we will convert them into standard form. First thing. Second thing, for addition and subtraction, we need to have like rational numbers, right? So in standard form, first term is in standard form, yes. Second is in standard form, third is also in standard form. So now the next step is, we'll see that these all should be in like rational number form. So LCM of 4, 16 and 8. Is 16 itself. So we'll take the LCM as 16, right? 4 goes into 16 4 times. 7 4s are 28 plus 16 goes into 16 one time. So actually it is 15, yes. So 15 into 1 is 15. 8 goes into 16 2 times. So minus 5 into 2 will give me minus 10. Now we have got plus and plus here, we have got minus here. So 28 plus 15 will give me 43 minus 10 upon 16. That is 33 upon 16. In mixed fraction form, it is 2 1 by 16, right? Second one, that is the B1. It says minus 5 by 1 plus 3 by minus 5 plus minus 5 by 6. First term is in standard form, yes, so let it be as it is. Second term is not in standard form, so I will convert this into standard form by multiplying numerator and denominator both by minus 1. So I will get minus 3 by 5, then plus minus 5 by 6, right? Minus 5 by 1 will remain as it is, plus into minus, minus 3 by 5, plus into minus, minus 5 by 6. Now LCM of 1, 5 and 6 is 30. 1 goes in 30 times. 30 into 5 is 150 with a minus sign, then minus. 5 goes in 36 times. 6 3s are 18. 6 goes into 35 times, will give me minus 25. All are negative. 50, that is 75, 55, 95 minus 193 by 30 is our answer. Right? Now the third one, that is 2 by 5 into 5 by 8. We have to do the third one. That is part C. 2 by 5 into 5 by 8 in one bracket minus 13 by 100 into 200 upon minus 26. First we will see that each term is in standard form or not. 2 by 5, yes. Into 5 by 8, yes. Minus, yes, minus 13 by 100 is also in standard form. Into, this will become minus 200 by 26, right? Minus sign, I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by minus 1. It will become minus 200 by 26. I can further cancel it as 2 13s are 2 hundreds are, right? So 2 by 5 into 5 by 8 minus 13 by 100 into minus 100 by 13, right? First, according to BODMAS, bracket is solved. So 5 1s are, 5 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4 is left in, 1 by 4 is left in first bracket, minus 100 minus 1s are 100 ones are, 13 minus 1s are 13 ones are, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 by 1. So plus into plus will give me 1 by 4, minus into plus will give me minus 1 by 1. LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. 4 goes into 4 4 times. 4 goes into 4 1 time. So 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 goes into 4 4 times, minus sign as it is. So multiplied by 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 upon 4 is our answer for the third one. Now fourth one, it says minus 5 by 4 into minus 6 by minus 8 into 3 by minus 2 minus 5 by 4 into minus 6 by minus 8 into minus 3 by minus 2 into 14 by minus 7. In this, all numbers are being multiplied. So we'll convert all of them into standard form. First, rational number was in standard form, so no need. Second, minus 6 by minus 8, both will be multiplied by minus 1 and 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So it became 3 by 4, right? Into minus 3 into upon minus 2, both will be multiplied by minus 1, it will become 3 by 2 and both will be multiplied by minus 1 first. So it will become minus 14 by 7, that will give me minus 2 by 1 after cancellation. 7 ones are 7 2s are, right? Now we have got minus 5 into minus 5 into 3 into 3 into minus 2 whole upon 4 into 4 into 2 into 1, right? Minus 2 minus 1s are 2 1s are, minus minus will give me plus, 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 4 4s are 16. So our answer will be 2s are 32. So this will be the answer for the fourth one. Now the fifth question says we need to subtract 4 from minus 1 4 by 7. In this question, children make a lot of mistake. Reason being, they do the opposite, right? Now the E1, we need to subtract 4 from minus 1 4 by 7. That means the term that is given after from will come first and the term that is given before from will come afterwards. And we need to subtract, therefore, in between both the terms there will be a minus sign. I repeat, whatever is given after from will come first and whatever is given before from will come afterwards, right? And we need to subtract, therefore a minus sign will be there. And as I have told you, before subtraction or addition, we need to keep two things in mind. First, the given rational number should be in standard form. Second, the rational number should be both the terms or both the rational numbers should be like rational numbers, right? So 7 with a 7 plus 4, that will give me minus 11 by 7 minus 4 by 1, right? Now LCM of 7 and 1 plus 7, 7 goes into 7 one time, minus 11 into 1 will give me minus 11 followed by minus sign. 1 goes into 7, 7 times, 7 4s are 28. Since both signs are same, so we will add 28 plus 11 will give me 39 and put the sign of the bigger integer, that is minus. So our answer will be minus 5 whole number 4 by 7, right? In exam, children, the same type of questions can be asked under the heading simplify, evaluate, or solve. The next question says the product of two rational numbers, there are two numbers and they are having multiplication sign in between, and the product is 58 1 by 2. If one of them is 13 by minus 4, find the other. Let the other number be x. So whichever variable you are taking in the question for solving, kindly mention that, right? So now the first thing says we need to convert a given rational numbers into standard form. 13 by minus 4 will become minus 13 by 4, right? Into x is equal to 2 into 58, 16, that will give me 117 by 2. Now whenever we need to find the value of any variable, I told you all, we will be following which rule, children? Tap rule. The variable should be on top, the variable should be positive, x is on top, yes, it's a numerator part, right? It should be positive, yes, x is positive, and x should be alone, but x is not alone. This entire term is being multiplied, so what will happen, children? X will remain on the left hand side of the equal to, 117 by 2 will remain as it is. This entire term was being multiplied, so it will become divided, minus 13 by 4. Now in the next step, children, 117 by 2, division will change into multiplication and the number on the right side will reciprocate. Right? Now 2 ones are, 2 twos are, minus 13 minus 1s are, minus 13 will go into this 9 times. So x is equal to 18 by minus 1. So we will never leave our answer like this, we will convert this into standard form. So it will give me minus 18 by 1. So the value of x is minus 18. Right? So the next question, that is the G part now. Now in G part it says, find the distance covered by a bike in 7 1 by 2 hours. This 7 1 by 2 hours is the time given, total time given, at a speed of 36 2 by 5 kilometer per hour. And we need to find the distance. The formula for distance is speed into time, right? So distance will be, speed is given as 36 2 by 5 kilometer per hour. This will be multiplied by time, that is 7 1 by 2. We will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 36 into 5, 6 by 30. This will give me 182 by 5 kilometer per hour into, this time was an hour, 15 by 2 hour. So hour will be cancelled by hour. 5 ones are, 5 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 91. The 91 into 3, 273, and kilometer is left. So this is the answer of the G1. Now the next question says we need to subtract the sum of 8 by 3 and 11 by minus 16 from the sum of minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. That means we need to have two sums. That is sum 1, that is we need to add 8 by 3 and 11 by minus 6, and in the second one we need to add minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 first, and then we need to subtract first sum from the second one. Okay, so this is 8 by 3 is in standard form, yes, 8 by 3 is in standard form, plus 11 by minus 6, this is not in standard form, so I will convert this in standard form by multiplying both numerator and denominator by minus 1, so it will become like this. So 8 by 3 plus into minus is minus 11 by 6. Now LCM of 3 and 6, they are unlike rational numbers, we'll convert them into like. LCM of 3 and 6 will give me 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times, 8 2s are 16. Minus 6 goes into 6 1 time, 1 into 11 is 11. 16 minus 11 is 5 by 6. This is answer of sum 1, right? Now for sum 2, let us see whether our given rational numbers are in standard form or not. Minus 3 by 4, yes, it is in standard form. 5 by 6, yes, this is also in standard form. We will directly proceed with the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 4 goes into 12 3 times. So minus 3 into 3 will give me minus 9. 6 goes into 12 2 times. So 5 2s are 10. Since the signs are different, so we'll subtract 9 from 10 and we'll be getting 1. And denominator will remain as it is, and we'll put the sign of the bigger one, that is this. Right? Now we have got the value of sum 1 and sum 2, both. The question says subtract the sum of this from sum of this. That means whatever is given after from, this entire term is given after from, it will come first. Right? That means difference will be sum 2 minus sum 1. And whatever is given before from will come afterwards. That is 1 by 12 minus 5 by 6. LCM of 12 and 6. Again we will get LCM as 12. 12 goes into 12 one time. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 6 goes into 12 2 times. 5 2s are 10. This will give me, signs are different. 1 minus 10 will give me 9. Sign of the bigger one, that is minus. Right? This can be further simplified. Minus 3 by 4. So the answer is minus 3 by 4. Right? With this we mark the end of our second chapter as well, children. I hope you all followed it. You are requested to make a register or a copy so that you can note down all the important terms or the points that are there in the video in that same copy, in the same register or the same register. And I will be sending you notes of the chapter along with your practice sheet. You can solve the practice sheet in the same register. And about your doubts, you can solve your doubts. We will be solving your doubts soon through live classes. So don't worry about them. I hope you all enjoyed all the videos. Kindly be at home, be safe, take care, God bless.